for the dosing, research shows that low dosing is just as effective as high dosing. Some people have really, really sensitive endocannabinoid systems. So it's, for CBD, it's a little easier because it's not a psychoactive product. So you don't really have to worry. They're not going to feel anything. It's more of like, I want them to not call attention to it, but just be aware of the next like few days, the next week or so, how you're feeling, that they know their body the best. They're going to be able to understand, like, maybe I slept better the past 3 nights or so, those sorts of things.